Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our traveling wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Alexandria. Welcome to Alexandria, Egypt, a city where the past and present coexist in a mesmerizing way. This city is a captivating blend of ancient history and modern energy. Walk through its streets and you'll find remnants of a glorious past. Standing proudly beside contemporary structures, the Mediterranean sea breeze welcomes you with its refreshing embrace, inviting you to explore the city's coastal charm and feel the city's vibrant pulse. As you explore its bustling marketplaces, where the aroma of spices fills the air and the sounds of lively chatter surround you, Alexandria is a place where every corner whispers stories of the past. The narrow streets and historical buildings tell tales of ancient civilizations and legendary figures. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. As you wander through the city, you'll encounter tourists and locals alike, all captivated by Alexandria's unique charm. Alexandria was founded by Alexander the Great in 331 BC, and his legacy is still felt throughout the city. It was once home to the legendary Library of Alexandria, a beacon of knowledge and learning in the ancient world. Imagine the scrolls and knowledge it held. Scholars from all over the world came here to study and share their wisdom. Today, the Bibliotheca Alexandrina stands as a modern tribute to that ancient institution, continuing the tradition of learning and discovery. It's a must-see for any visitor, offering a glimpse into both the past and the future of knowledge. Alexandria will leave you breathless with its stunning sunsets. Over the Mediterranean, a perfect end to a day of exploration in this timeless city. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. Start your adventure at the Citadel of Qaitbay, a majestic fortress that has stood the test of time. This imposing fortress stands on the site of the ancient lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Imagine the ships guided by its light. Centuries ago, navigating the treacherous waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Today, the Citadel offers stunning views of the city and the sea. It's a photographer's dream, with panoramic vistas that capture the essence of Alexandria. Next, explore the catacombs of Qom el-Shokafa, a hidden gem beneath the bustling streets of Alexandria. These Roman-era tombs are an underground labyrinth of art and history, offering a glimpse into the past. Discover the fascinating blend of Egyptian, Greek, and Roman influences, intricately carved into the walls and ceilings. It's a journey through time, where each corner reveals a new story waiting to be told. Don't miss Pompey's Pillar, a towering Roman column that stands as a sentinel over the city. It's a testament to Alexandria's rich past, a symbol of the city's enduring legacy and historical significance. Step off the beaten path and discover Alexandria's hidden treasures. Wander through the vibrant souk district. Here, you'll find bustling markets filled with spices, textiles, and local crafts. Visit the Montaza Palace Gardens. These lush gardens were once the summer residence of the Egyptian royal family. Today, they offer a tranquil escape from the city. Take a stroll and enjoy the fountains and beautiful architecture. Tips for your Alexandrian adventure. The best time to visit Alexandria is during the spring or fall. During these seasons, the city comes alive with vibrant colors and a refreshing atmosphere. Temperatures are mild, making it perfect for exploring the city's rich history and beautiful coastline. The weather is pleasant, and the crowds are smaller. This means you can enjoy a more relaxed experience. Whether you're wandering through the ancient streets, lounging in the parks, or sipping coffee at an outdoor cafe, learn a few basic Arabic phrases. Simple greetings and expressions can go a long way in making connections. It will enhance your interactions with the friendly locals. Alexandrians are known for their warm hospitality, and a little effort to speak their language will be greatly appreciated. This delicious mix of rice, lentils, pasta, and chickpeas is an Egyptian staple. It's not only filling, but also a delightful blend of flavors and textures. When it comes to food, don't miss out on kushari. This hearty dish is a must-try for any visitor. And of course, no trip to Alexandria is complete without savoring some fresh seafood by the sea. The city's coastal location means you'll have access to some of the freshest and most delicious seafood dishes, all while enjoying stunning views of the Mediterranean. Your Egyptian journey begins now. Alexandria is calling. Are you ready to answer? This city will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. From ancient wonders to modern delights, Alexandria has something for everyone. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. This concludes our tour in Alexandria. I hope you enjoy this trip and find helpful tips for your next adventure. Alexandria is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and is definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.